Good morning children. This is our revision video for Essay 1 Papaya's Adventure. So today we are going to have a quick view on our third lesson. So a bit here. Complete these sentences with the correct adverbs of degree from the box. So options are already given to us, that is almost, enough, hardly, quite, completely and too, T-O-O, too. The first one is Lata is almost as tall as Aarti. So what is the adverb of degree in it? Almost. So which we need to fill up. Second one, we could dash hear the speaker. Hardly. We could hardly hear the speaker. Third one, the soup was dash hot to be drunk. The soup was too hot to be drunk. Fourth one, Anil did not work hard enough. E-N-O-U-G-H, enough. Fifth one, Sejal was driving dash fast. Sejal was driving quite fast. Sixth one, Rachel went to bed as soon as we reached the hotel. She was dash exhausted after walking up the hill. She was completely exhausted after walking up the hill. Now coming to the next bit. Circle the adverbs of degree in these sentences. First one, it is very warm today. So circle the adverbs of degree, that is very. So here also we need to identify what is the adverb of degree. Second one, B was entirely sure that her sister had hidden her socks. Entirely is the adverb of degree. Third one, the theatre was almost empty. So the adverbs of degree is almost. Fourth one, the scenery was absolutely outstanding. What is the adverb of degree in this? Absolutely. So circle that. Fifth one, it was fairly late when Joe returned home. Fairly is the adverb of degree. Now sixth one, the theft in Cornaro House really shocked the police. Really is the adverb of degree. Tick right the adverbs of frequency in these sentences. First one, Reza normally finished his homework before the evening. So the boy will finish his homework before evening. So identify the adverbs of frequency. What is that? Normally. Normally is the adverb of frequency. Second one, I usually took the bus to return home from school. Usually. Third one, Arun cleaned his room every week. Every week. Every week is the adverb of frequency. Fourth one, I hardly spoke to our new neighbors. Hardly. Fifth one, Zahir never ate his lunch at home on Saturdays. never is adverb of frequency. Sixth one, we regularly went to swim in the river. Regularly is the adverb of frequency. Now complete these sentences with the correct fixed expressions from the table. Here, first one, the Queen's fame spread dash far and wide. Here we need to write some fixed expressions to complete these sentences. So the Queen's fame spread far and wide. Second one, Kirti was relieved to find her rabbits dash in the garden. Her rabbits too safe and sound. Kirti was relieved to find her rabbits safe and sound in the garden. Third one, I followed the recipe dash, that is step by step. Fourth one, dash Meera learned how to play the flute. By and by, Meera learned how to play the flute. Fifth one, mother stored the dash in the attic. Odds and ends. Mother stored the odds and ends in the attic. Sixth one, Neetu has dash finished reading the book. More or less. Neetu has more or less finished reading the book. This was our revision class for lesson number 3.